This is Eric Muathe from Muathe.com, and what is going to be part 2 of this intraday educational video. We can see market is now trading at the pretty much middle of the day, and we are trading at the highs of the session. And I want to show you that even after this push higher, the intraday hourly charts we're looking at continue to have the same look. Here is the S&P 500. We can see our backtest line continues to hold. So the question is, are we going to clear that line and move higher, or does this still pose an area of resistance for the general market? If we take a look at the NASDAQ, we can see trading at about 11,060. Still, we are contending with the same look, which is this backtest line of the RSI and a potential topside resistance line. So for the market to push higher intraday, we would need to see the market clear these two lines to the upside. Is that possible? Yes, but we haven't seen that yet. Right now we are still playing around with that resistance. The more this continues to be resistance, the more we are looking at a market that is gonna be at intraday highs. Now, to further make this a little bit complex, it's on the daily charts where we see that the daily for the NASDAQ is pushing above 50, which might cement this as a confirmed up day, closing at the highs of the session. If the market can hold above RSI 50, might explain the nice daily gain. And we can see the S&P 500 also has just pushed above 50 with this intraday push. And we know that when markets are moving above 50, we tend to have an expanded move in the direction of moving above RSI 50. It's another way of saying that maybe those hourly charts are going to hold into the close with the resistance, and it could be that we are setting the stage for a day-to-day reversal, for a potential reversal in the coming day or in the coming days. If the market closes above RSI 50 and reverses on the following couple of days, that would be taking back most of these gains that we are seeing today. So really much in summary, this being part 2 of what was the initial video from early this morning, let's just continue understanding that as long as the market is unable to clear the backtest lines as discussed, then there's a good probability that this is where the market is looking to stall intraday, maybe even closing around here as long as that holds, with a pullback possibility. And expect big moves, relatively speaking, if the market is moving above or below RSI 50 on the daily. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Market slightly off the highs intraday. We'll see how things go. Love and light, light and love. Namaste.